In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove product from cart in WooCommerce. Whether you're testing your store or cleaning up your own cart, I'll walk you through a clear, reliable way to make sure you're on the correct cart page and remove the item you don't want. Start by opening your WooCommerce website in your browser. If you're managing the store, make sure you're signed in so you can access the site tools and see the admin bar. This helps you quickly verify you're working on the right pages connected to your store. Next, go to the WooCommerce area in your site's dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click WooCommerce to open the store controls. From there, click Settings. This is where WooCommerce keeps the core configuration for pages like the cart and checkout, and it's the best place to confirm you're using the correct cart page before you try to remove anything. Inside Settings, open the Advanced tab. You'll see page setup options that show which page is assigned as your cart page. This matters because the remove action only works properly on the actual cart page WooCommerce is using, not on a draft or a duplicate. Click the edit link next to the cart page. This opens the page in your editor so you can confirm you're looking at the official cart. You don't need to change content here, we're simply confirming the correct page. From the editor, use the View option to open the live cart page on the front end of your site. If you already know you're on the right cart page, you can jump straight to viewing it. Now, on the cart page, locate the product you want to remove. Each item appears as a line in the cart table. Look to the far left for a small remove icon, often shown as an X, or a remove link next to the product. Click that remove control and the page will refresh to show the updated cart. If your theme requires an update, use the Update Cart button after you click Remove to finalize the change. On mobile, this control might be tucked under an expandable row, so tap the product row to reveal it if you don't see it immediately. Once the product disappears from the list, you're done. If the item still shows, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or try again to ensure the change is saved. That's all it takes to remove a product from your WooCommerce cart confidently and correctly.